Slovenia with possession. Three goes up, it's good to go. Doncic. One-on-one, the pump fake, lets off the shot anyway. Defender didn't bite. Dino Radoncic. Here's that shot again. Turn around, pump. Defender doesn't bite, but it doesn't. Doncic, Morgan going to work again. Dimes. Look at that pass from Doncic. Pull up, long two. Left on the board, I've got to take him. The amount of stats he puts up. Foul is called and one. Senior legend on the sideline. He's kicked out again. Shot is way off, but Doncic, offensive rebound, and one play again. Luka Magic. In my voice, we're gonna watch a Luka masterclass. Now, some spells with the City Bulls and Chicago. What a pass from Luka Doncic! Laser vision inside to find his teammate. Here's that pass again. Luka, no look. Is it an assist from Luka? If he doesn't, screen comes up from Doncic. Oh, Luka! Stringing it from way downtown. Tough shot. It doesn't matter. Look how far away Luka is here. Stepping way back. Hand up. Don't matter. Doncic to the corner. Free ball. Goes up. It's money. That's Totsise Hall in Ljubljana. Doncic, and one. It's so easy for him. And then he moves on to the next thing. He's part of that new generation, the concentration span. Oh, on the buzzer, nearly there. The hand is up, but it doesn't matter. The step back, it's elite. It's unguardable at times. And Luka sees to ensure they take victory. Doncic readjusting his shorts. Doncic to the right. Oh my goodness! What a pass that was. As you can see there, 1 for 5 from 2-point territory. Another kick to the corner, and the three's good this time. Inside Morgan. He goes to the left hand and Morgan sets the down screen. Oh wow, turning the corner off. Doncic off the dribble, inside hand finish off the glass. Who were trading blows, but now Slovenia started to pull up. He's got a step back in him. Pump fake. Can he make it this time? No, he can't. He gets his own rebound now.